Yeah, I went for the Prodig Pro Sweep because of the build quality. A neighbour of mine has one, it's very strong. They're local to us as well. I went over and I looked at it, I saw how easy it is to put together and change the brushes on it, and simplicity is key for me. You just hook up with the paddle forks and on you go. There's no up and down off the loader, it's a very, very simple machine. 8 foot wide, it's the width of the loader. I wouldn't change that. It's not sure yard around here by any stretch of the imagination, but it keeps the cow roadways clean during the autumn, which I look forward to. I didn't have one last year. I borrowed one off a neighbour and did a serious job. So just to keep the yards clean and the cow roads clean during the autumn as well. They get fairly sticky around here. Yeah, you'd see a big improvement. Sure, it's so simple. It's just a 5-minute job. Hook up to it. If someone's idle, you don't have to get down and change pipes or anything. It's all quick attach. Just the simplicity, like the brushes, we only have it 7 or 8 months, but the brush should last a long time in it, but when it comes to changing it, it's just a matter of taking off the end plate and putting in new ones. It's strong. We around here will be fairly rough and ready, like, you know, it's we nearly use like a snowplow, but it seems to be well able, like, for a bit of hardship, so yeah, it's plenty strong now. I priced around and it was the most competitive in the market, and the fact that it was local as well and you know where it's being made. But yeah, it's price-wise, I'd say they're competitive. Oh, I'd recommend it. I recommend it to any farmer if he's a concrete yard, if he's bringing in maize or silage of a wet time for sweeping the roads, anything at all. It's just so easy to work with, and it's quick. Like, you just hook on the paddle forks and away you go.